Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. And I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft XT22. 22-foot boat, just as it says in the name. This is our XT model. This boat has the walkthrough with the teak step up to get up into the boat with the SeaDekking through. And it comes into the rear fold seat, so you can sit backwards. Easy fold out seat. Nice curved contouring seating. If you go up to the rack here, you got the clampable wakeboard racks that swivel out all the way halfway, or they swivel out all the way. So very nice swiveling racks the other way. It's equipped with the Z4 tower with black Klish tower speakers, and then the nice full bimini and the easy lay down quick fold down tower. This has the nice sleek wraparound windshield. On the dash here, we got the 7-inch screen with the analog gauges right here. We got the wireless phone charger. Over here, we have the nice walkthrough. We have an air dam door to close off with the windshield. Big, nice open bow. Klish speakers and chargers up front with cup holders. This boat's also equipped with SeaDekking. Over here on the passenger side, under here you got the rear flip seat for storage all the way through. Nice pass-through storage on this long bench seat. Klish speakers throughout, subwoofer, cup holders everywhere. This boat has the 6.0 liter, 373 horsepower Ilmor motor, so just plenty of horses for all your water sports. This boat, the reason it's the XT model, it does a lot of things really great. It water skis well, it surfs well, and it wakeboards well. So it does all those things really well. So all around great boat for all your water sports that you might want to do on the lake with your family. And it's also is just a very great riding boat. At 22 feet, this boat will hold 16 people. So just tons of space and storage for everybody on this boat. So come and check this boat out at MarineMax in Greenville or at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.